Hi guys, and today topic is loops. Loops. Oops. By mistake, I oops. Oops concept object-oriented programming language. And previously, I will explain loops, if conditions, and so many things. I will explain detailed way, and I'm provided a description. You check it out all the links. And for now, thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Loops. Loops standard for object-oriented programming, and procedural programming about is writing the procedural methods that performing operators and data. Will object-oriented program is about creating object that contains both the data and methods. Object-oriented programming has several advantages of overall produce, and OOPS is a faster, easier executed. OOPS providing clear structure of the programming. OOPS help to keep Java code dry, done, repeat yourself, and makes the code easier maintain, modify, and debug. OOPS makes it possible to create full reusable applications with less code and shorter development time. These are the advantages of OOPS. And let's how many types of OOPS? OOPS are five types. Five types of OOPS are there, and inheritance, polymorphism, eh, encapsulation, abstract, interface. These are the OOPS concepts. First concept is inheritance. Inheritance is a process by which one class acquires the properties, data members, and functionalities methods of another class is called inheritance. The aim of inheritance is to provide the reusability of the code so that a class have to write only unique features and the rest of the common properties and functionalities can be extended from the another class and child class. And I will explain practically and you easy understanding. Let's create one class. I'll create one class. Class name is uh, parent class, child class, child. Creating one child class. After child class, outside the child class, I am creating one class. Class name is parent, and pardon for small mistakes. Sorry for the small mistakes. I will rectify, and I will create one class public void m1, and I will print statement and statement hi. This is parent class. I will create two statements. I will extends keyword is extends keyword is value entering the inheritance. Extends keyword helps to entering the inheritance topic, and extends small errors are there. The errors is extends. Sorry, we'll create extends this side. Okay, extends is inheritance keyword. The extends keyword helps to implement inheritance and controllers. And I will create one object in child class, child, and child ch equal to new child control s ch dot m1 will printed m1 and control s. I will run it our application. Hi, this is a parent class. This is the example of inheritance. First I will create one parent class. The parent class one property is there. That property is a hi. This is a parent class. That properties given to child class. That how to perform this action is extends word. Extends keyword help to implement inheritance. That's the reason is extends is implement inheritance. And parent class and child class access to parent class properties. This type of property accessing child class, this is the main, and I will explain detailed way and this topic. And some topics are there in single inheritance. Total so many inheritance are there, and present I will single inheritance. I'll explain it already. And multiple inheritance. This topic is multiple inheritance. I will explain. Total three types of inheritance are there. Total three types of inheritance are there. Single level inheritance, multiple level inheritance, multi-level inheritance, and multiple level inheritance. Present single level and multiple level inheritance I will explain it. And single level multi-level inheritance I will explain it. And multiple level inheritance I will explain some another day, another video. This video is very lengthy. And these the multiple level inheritance. First I create one class car and given on property and two property, public void method on property and public void fields second property, and extends to a class. Extends to a class. I will extend it. I will access it. I will extend it. I will access it. And after access I will class B. I will create one more class ABC and ABC colors and first and wheels access. This type of access are there. And multi-level inheritance class A and class B extends and public void set. Two properties are there, A and B, and no one method is there, one statement are there. And I'll create this method. I will create this method. I will access this method in two methods. I will create one more class and access to the this class in another way. I will explain it practically. I have one more class. This class name is multi-level inheritance. Finish. And I will create class name A and I will creating value A12 and public void m1 and control plus A and public void m2, and I'm creating this type of plus a also, and I will create two methods. Two method means properties. I will create one more class name is b. I will create one more variable v equal to 13, and list public void I will create one more b. We'll create one more method m3. Sorry, I will same name m2 and m3. And let's create one more method in we'll create one more method statement. This is the biggest multi-level inheritance. 5. This extend, I will extend it one more one. Okay, and I will extends a to b, b to c, b. I will extend it, and I will execute only in multi-level class. I will create three classes in. I will create three classes. Two is a parent classes. One is a child class. That child class I will create multi-level a equal to new multi-level pronouns, and a dot will access m1 and two series m1 m2 is a class a, m3 m4 class b, m4 m5 class multiple class. And a dot m3, a dot m4, a dot m5 controllers is the execution of multi-level inheritance. So this is a small type of execution. I will execute it, and 12 13 13 14 14. So to see this is the 13, 13, 14, 14. This is the main advantages. Some advantages are there in multi-level inheritance, and that's the reasons, and so many reasons are there, easier reasons, and using this multiple inheritance. And thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel.